welcome back. 我是 Katrina. In today's lesson, we're still going to learn how to read and speak some new Chinese words. Now let's get started. The first one is 名字. The first character is 名, that meaning name. As you can see from this image, imagine that the person is calling your name under the sunset, calling you home. 名. And 字, the second character, as you can see that the lower component is 子, which means child, a child under the roof, 字. So together, 名字, name. Example, 请问你叫什么名字? May I know what's your name? 请问, may I ask, 你叫什么名字? You call what name? Now let's take a look at the sentence without 拼音. 请问你叫什么名字? So the first line is traditional Chinese character, and the second line is simplified Chinese character. But I'm teaching traditional, so if you're my Hanzi MasterClass student, you should focus on the first line. 请问你叫什么名字? The next word is 有名 meaning famous. 有 meaning to have. As you can see from this image, a person grabs the meat. He has the meat. 有 to have. 名 we looked at that before. Have name 有名 meaning famous. For example, 他是一位有名的歌手. He is a famous singer. 他是一位有名的歌手. 位 is the measure word for people or person. So he is a famous 歌手 singer. Let's take a look at the sentence without 拼音. Focus on the character and listen to my pronunciation. 他是一位有名的歌手. Next one is 有用 meaning useful. 用 meaning to use. As you can see that I give you an image with lots of tool. 用 to use. 有用 have use meaning useful. 有用 useful. Sentence 学习中文对我非常有用. Learning Mandarin is very useful to me. 学习中文对我非常有用. 学习中文对我非常有用. The next slide. Take a look at the characters only. 学习中文对我非常有用. The top one is the traditional character and the lower one is the simplified. So here, I want to teach a phrase, 对 somebody 有用, meaning it's useful to somebody. 对 somebody 有用. And the opposite of this is 对 somebody 没有用. 没有用 is useless, not useful. 对 somebody 没有用. For example, 这本书对我的学习没用. 这本书对我的学习没用. This book is useless for my learning. Now take a look at the characters only. 这本书对我的学习没用. In this case, you can omit 有, 没用. Not useful, useless. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you find this video lesson helpful and I hope that you know how to use these 3 words in Mandarin Chinese. Make sure that you make sentences in the comment below. And also, if you're now my Hanzi MasterClass student and would like to learn traditional Chinese character, make sure to click the link and join Hanzi MasterClass Course Waitlist because I only share course updates and information with emails. Alright, that is all for today. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. 再见